Diwali is a festival of lights. It is one of the biggest and grandest festivals celebrated mainly in India. Diwali is a festival commemorated to mark joy, victory and harmony. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, falls during the month of October or November. It is celebrated after 20 days of the Dashahara festival. Diwali is a symbol of the triumph of good over evil and light over darkness. It is celebrated by many different religions in India, and each religion has different pretexts for celebration. They celebrate this festival based on their own religious legends or histories and what is seen as important. Hindus celebrate Diwali to honor Rama's eventual defeat of the evil spirit Ravana. For Jains, this holiday is a celebration of one of their most revered leaders attaining nirvana. For Sikhs, it is the celebration of Guru Har Gobind's release from prison. For most Indians, this festival celebrates the birth of the goddess Lakshmi, who is said to have emerged from the ocean on a new moon night, the night of Diwali, which is the 15th day of the 8th month on the Indian calendar, roughly in the period October 17th to November 14th. There are many different traditions that surround the 5-day celebrations of this holiday. Overall, it is considered an important time for introspection, cleansing, decorating, gathering, and puja, worship. Day 1, Dhanteras, November 2, 2021, Tuesday, Trayodashi. This is the first day of the festival when people clean their homes and prepare for the events ahead. This is also a busy shopping day, when it is considered lucky to go to markets and buy gold or new kitchen items. Day 2, Chhoti Diwali, November 3, 2021, Wednesday, Chaturdashi. The second day is when people start decorating their homes. Many families will put up string lights and start creating their rangoli, which are intricate designs placed on the floors of homes. Day 3, Diwali and Lakshmi Puja, November 4, 2021, Thursday, Amavasya. The most important part of the celebration is the ritual that takes place on this day. Clay oil lamps or diyas are lit and rituals worshipping the goddess Lakshmi are performed. The most auspicious time for worship is from 6:09 p.m. to 8:04 p.m. The worshipping can be done at temples or at home by placing a red cloth on the puja chauki, worship table, putting the idol on it, and then offering flowers, fruits like water chestnuts, pomegranate, quince, coconut and sweets, notably kesari bhat, semolina pudding with saffron, nuts, and sugar to goddess Lakshmi, then prostrating in front of the idol and joining your palms for prayers. Day 4, Padwa, November 5, 2021, Friday, Pratipada. The fourth day of celebrations is dedicated to the love between husband and wife, and men will often buy gifts for their wives. Many businesses open new accounts on this day as it is considered auspicious. Day 5, Bhai Dooj, November 6, 2021, Saturday, Dvitiya. Bhai Dooj, also called Bhau Beej, the last day of celebrations, is dedicated to brothers and sisters. To celebrate their bond, sisters perform a special ceremony for their brothers for their protection. Brothers give presents to their sisters. Mentor International School wishes you and your family a very happy Diwali.